Good day to you. This is story time. Today I am going to tell you a new story. All these days I was telling a story which has happened earlier, which has happened in reality. Today I am going to tell a story which is going to happen or yet to happen or may happen or may not happen. It is my wish list or wishful thinking. This is Kadal Amuda from Chennai. So story time for my sales training program. There was a question in Quora. Can there be community supported travel industry? So I started thinking in that line. So I was started assuming. I was replying in the way that let us assume. That is my first word in that reply. Let us assume there is a beautiful village in the western coastline of India, somewhere between Goa or Mangalore, or between Goa and Mumbai. So a lot of villages may be there or should be there. So with beautiful beaches and trees and greeneries and small villages, clean villages and the nice people. So a group of young people from the village started thinking to have a tourism place or resort or something like that. They then started spreading this idea among the village people. Some people criticize, some people you are useless, some people it won't work out, you don't waste time or don't waste money. All those sorts of comments will start flowing in, which is quite natural if anybody spreads an idea. Until the idea starts working, people will keep criticizing it. But that youngsters were determined to keep on. So what they say, they choose a nice place, took the permission from the owner and then started constructing 5 resorts, maybe a single bedroom house, something like a 400 or 500 square bedroom, one nice bedroom, a small hall and a small kitchen. They built 5. They didn't go for a costly brick and mortar construction. They don't use any concrete thing, they didn't dig. They used a very available material in that area like bamboo, wood or something like that. They constructed good looking resorts, good looking rooms and everything. And then they made some common area, common play area, some game area, something like that. They made took some 3-acre plot and then made all the arrangements. They put lot of effort from themselves. They borrowed money from the parents and then friends and other thing. And then by seeing the effort that the boys are putting, and many people started helping them. Okay, let us help them. Let them give them some money. So people also started giving them 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. And then money was flowing in from the villages only. So after 6 months, they made the arrangement, everything was ready. Then they thought how to market. This is the biggest challenge in any industry, any business enterprise. So they thought of attaching this property to some branded people like Make My Trip, Go Video, something like that. But somebody objected. No, we don't know how they will deal with me. We don't have any experience with them. We don't know whether they will get a business for us. Because there are so many properties and then our property is one among them. There is no need for them to concentrate on our property. Let us do it ourselves. So their decision was taken and then what they did, they took some photographs of that nice property and then started spreading through their own mobile phones in the WhatsApp status, Facebook, Instagram and wherever all social media started putting the photos and then people started asking questions, what is this? So then started this is our property, we are building it, why don't you come and stay? So these village boys don't have the contact list spread all over India or all over the world. Their spread was only 20-30 kilometers from the village. But people from those areas were interested. So okay, I will give you only 500 rupees, can I come and stay? People started saying yes, okay. And then 3 people came and stayed and then these people took photographs along with the guest. So once again they started putting it and the guests also started putting in their WhatsApp groups or some other in the social media and then slowly the word started moving in and then their pricing was very low, very affordable price because they didn't invest much of money so they can survive with low rent. So the low rent and the beautiful environment and then the way these boys taking care of the guest has become very popular. That is a unique thing. The boys took care of the guests very nicely. They were with them, they were helping them everything. They say that the stay was enjoyable for the guest. So in the course of time, in 2 years, then they become a very successful model. They have started expanding it, and then this resort gave employment to the many of the villages there also. So this has become a successful model. This is my wishful thinking. I want this to happen in the coming near future in India and elsewhere. Thank you for watching. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai signing off. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that we can listen to more of these stories in this channel. Thank you for watching once again. Good day to you.